Hey, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back to another quick how-to from Chad Fixes All. In this episode, we're going to be replacing this windshield wiper on this Chevy Trax. So let's hop to it. So the first thing you want to do is reach underneath here, and you're just going to spread these two pieces right here apart. And as you're spreading them apart, pull towards you. And then once you have this up, you then can slide it towards the driver's side of the vehicle and release it. So this is what you're trying to get loose here. See if I can focus in on that. So this is what you're trying to get loose there. There's clips in here that hold it tight against to the arm of the actual wiper. So this cover has to come off first. So like I said, kind of a pain. Try not to break it, but pull it apart as most can. Pop it up, slide it towards the driver's side of the vehicle. Next, we're going to raise the wiper arm and then use our screwdriver here. We're just going to put it underneath this small little clip under here. And then with it up, you should be able to push it towards the passenger side of the vehicle. And then once it's released all the way, you can then remove it. Do not let this slam back down onto the glass. Slowly put it down. And then there's your wiper blade. Now this is just the wiper blade that's on the vehicle. This wiper blade's still good. It's still actually making good strokes across the glass. So I don't need to replace this. It's just a how-to video. But what we're going to go do is we're going to put a link in the description of a good wiper brand. You guys can go ahead and click the link and purchase it from there. Also, while you're down there looking at the description, make sure to put a like on this video and maybe subscribe to my channel. Check out other videos. But let's go and put this wiper back onto this arm. We're just going to lift it up and then slide it into the J-hook until you hear it snap. Now it's reassembled back onto the actual arm. And then we're going to go ahead and reinstall the wiper cover. So same way we took it off, you're just going to put it on here, slide it towards the passenger side of the vehicle again. I'm just going to lift up on these tabs here. Push it back down onto there. And there we go. So now the wiper blade is installed. The cover is now back on and everything is all set. So if this video helped you out, make sure to check out my other ones. Like, subscribe, and till next time.